Oh, yeah. Geysers are back. Or at least this one is. That's the only one I see running. Wow, I got him again. So, yay, geysers. I'm gonna have to bleep that one. Like I said, it seems like that might be the only one that's fully functional right now, but just what, Monday? No, what is today? Tuesday. Yeah, I think just yesterday it wasn't working. Dun 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 dun. Oh, you lucky dogs.